everyone, welcome back to Down Games, and I'm back with another tutorial of Unity3d GTA style multiplayer game tutorial. So yep, and now I'm going to show you what we have done in the last tutorial. So yep, this is a pretty simple script where you have to enter your nickname and you can start your server. Okay, and you have to wait a couple seconds. Well, yeah, and yeah, you can see we can walk around, and yeah, we can play with friends. So yep, and in this tutorial I'm going to cover up the thing called shooting. This is really awesome thing. So yeah, now let's begin. So for now let's do this. Drag and drop our character prefab. It's not supposed to move. So yeah, I'm going to show you. It's not supposed to move. Yeah, you can see. And that's good for us because you can see mouse look is disabled and the FPS input controller is also disabled when it's not actually ours. Oh, that's nice. Oh, okay, so yeah, and now I'm about creating a new folder, sounds, and inside of it I'm going to open it in Explorer. And let's go to inside of it and paste those two sounds. A key, this is a rifle sound, and M9 pistol sound. So yeah, and you can listen for it. And M9. Have it. So yeah, and yeah, now let's create a new new JavaScript. Shooting. So yep, now we have shooting script inside, and let's open it up in MonoDevelop. Okay, and now we are about going and creating it. We will have to use both function start and function update. Then we're about adding a function prepare, and function shoot. Okay, so in the prepare function we'll later on do a yield of wait for seconds, so it will wait until animation of aiming is completed, but for now we just keep it without that yield wait for seconds. So yeah, now let's delete this thing. I don't know why it's required. I don't really know that. So now let's create some variables. So the variable able shoot equals false. If we assign what it's equals, we don't have to type in like equals false. So yeah, oops. Well, if we don't assign what it equals, then we can do like this. But yeah, well, I'm just going to keep it as false. So yeah, now var hit, we will use raycasting. So yeah, I'm just telling you that we will use that. And it's raycast. Oh, I hate when it appears like this. Raycast hit. So then we have var shoot sound var a key sound audio clip, the same with this, but now we will use a 9 sound. Then we will use the amount of bullets, so yep, var p bullets, so yep, pistol bullets. Okay, and it's integer, which is equal to 320, and we have our pistol bullets 1, which is how many bullets in the clip. So yep, it's equals 9. Then var rifle bullets and 520 for this example, and var rifle bullets 1 integer equals 30. So that now we have the thing what I think it's good enough for us. Okay, so yeah, now let's do this in function start. If network view dot network view dot is mine. If it's my network view, we don't need this. Shoot. Okay, so yep, now we have this. If the network view is ours, then let's make it shooting. So yeah, now function update, we will do, okay, well, we're about using weapon number, weapon num integer. Well, we will create another script later on. So yep, and what is equals weapon num equals game object dot get component, get component, well, change gun. We will create a script like this, dot weapon num. So yeah, now we're about to do this thing. If network view dot is mine, if it's mine, then let's do this. Now if input dot get mouse button down 1, then prepare, simply prepare, like so. So yeah, that's good enough. And another, we will do the same like this, but this time is it up, and then we will do able shoot equals false. Okay, so yeah, now let's do this. Able shoot another thing. var shooting equals false. So yep. Now we will do this. Let's take this. So this is one we will put the right click. 1 is right click, 0 is left click. So yep, that's the thing. Okay, so yeah, simply copy it for later on, and it will shoot equals true. Then shooting equals true. So yep. Else, so yeah, if it's up, this must be down. This must be down, and then let's see. Then, well, we don't need this. Shooting equals false. Okay. Then if able shoot equals false, then yep. Shooting equals false. So yeah. Now let's move to prepare function. Okay, yeah. And prepare function will pretty much do this. Able shoot equals true. And then in comment currently, later on we will add this. Yield, wait 4 seconds, so yep. And yeah, later on we will add some kind of time, how much time it will take for the animation to appear and finish up the begin aiming animation, so yep. So now let's move to shooting script. That's quite a large script. Okay, so shooting function. So yep. Well, now shooting, we will do while true. Simply while true. Oops, sorry. If shooting equals true and weapon equals 0, oops, 0, and air bullets is more than 0, air bullets 1. So this is pretty much if we are able to shoot and weapon number is 0, which is gonna be our AE key, and the bullets in the rifle bullets is in the clip is more than 0. So yep, that's it. If this happens, then air bullets 1, oops, minus, so it will remove 1 bullet from our clip, and audio dot play one shot. AE key, okay, where is it? AE key sound, and it's 1.0, and don't forget it's a pitch or the loudness, volume. So yeah, I don't remember actually. So yeah, now we're about doing physics dot raycast transform. Nope, it's like this. Transform dot position from dot forward dot hit. Yep, like this. So it's going to do a recast, physics recast, draw the line forward. So yep, until it will hit something. And yeah, we're going to do debug dot log hit dot collider dot tag. So yeah, we are going to damage only specific objects, not the houses with M9, destroy houses. So that's going to be really stupid. So we're about destroying the objects with special tags like player or vehicles. So later on we will add vehicles. So yep, that's the thing. So now if hit dot hit dot collider dot tag equals player. So it's a good time to change the tag of our character. So or hit dot collider dot tag equals vehicle. So if that's true, then we're going to do simply destroy hit dot transform dot game object. So if we're going to destroy that game object, for now later on we will add removing lives and all over stuff. Yeah, you know. So now we're about doing else if okay, yep, else if let's see, else if, let's think, yeah, weapon num is also equal 0 and air bullets 1 also equals 0. So yeah, if it's equal 0, then you were about adding refilling. So that we yield wait 4 seconds, and we will wait 2 seconds, 2 seconds of non-shooting, yep, and if our bullet is more or equal to 30, then our bullets minus equal 30 and our bullets 1 plus equal 30. So yeah, it's going to remove 30 if outside the clip there are more than 30 bullets, then it's going to remove from that ammunition amount 30 and add to our clip 30 bullets. So yeah, that's pretty much that thing. And else if if we are less than 30 bullets inside of that rifle bullets ammunition amount, then it's just going to add all the bullets of that ammunition left and simply remove all of and make all that left bullets to 0. So yeah, that's just so first of all we are about must do this. Oops. Else if okay yep else if our bullets is less than 30, by the way it must be more or equal. So yeah, if it's less than 30 then it's going to be like this. Let's see. Now we must do this. First of all is this plus equal air bullets. So yeah, first of all do this and then this must be set to 0. So yeah, if this would be set to 0 first of all, then it would add nothing to the clip. So yeah, and we will waste our bullets. So yeah, and now we have pretty much this thing set it up. Let's see, where is it? Not follow through, but right there. So yeah, we are about having this and duplicate it. Okay, so now we have this, but now the weapon number must be 1 and it must be P bullets, and now this is M9 sound. Okay, also if it's equal 1 and P bullets. So yep, everywhere must be P bullets, not R bullets. Okay, and after that we should be good to go. Okay, so yep, and now we are about pretty much doing, let's see, no semicolon, 8 and 9, okay. Well, shooting 8. Oh, we forgot. So I was quite a bit out, but now I'm back, and now we have this unknown in the identifier change gun. So to fix that, we're pretty much going to create a new JavaScript. So yeah, and let's create that JavaScript. So change gun, oops, and now this thing should be removed. So now let's open up again on develop and let's place that script in place. So okay, so you have var variable weapon number, weapon num integer equal 0. So yep, and now we don't need function start at all, not char, var variable. Okay, so yep, now let's save it. If if input input dot get axis mouse scroll wheel is more than 0 and weapon no oops okay, yep. I wasn't looking at it. And weapon is less than 1 and input dot get mouse button down 1 equals false. Yep, while we are not aiming, press right click, then we will be able to change the weapon. So yep. Okay. Weapon plus. Okay, so now we're about copying the same script right over here. Okay, now let's fix this. It is more than 0 and right here is less than 0, and then right here we have weapon minus and weapon is more than 0. So yeah. And now we have this thing. Okay, intent line something. Function update. Oh, we don't need those guys. And yep. 9. End of line found. Oh. That's it. Yep. Now we are about doing one thing. Go to our character and drag and drop change gun and shooting script on it. And now let's go to our assets sounds. Let's again select our character and drag AK sound, and M-line sound. So yep. And now let's apply this prefab so it will be applied to our instantiated prefab. So yep. And now we're about spawn us. Equals 0. Boo. If equals 1. Okay, so we pretty much fixed this problem. I hope. Yes! Oh, it crashed. Clashed. Oh, that's... There's no audio source, okay? Okay, so yeah, now let's fix this. Audio, yeah, source. Okay. Yay! So yep, and now we're pretty much done with thing, and yeah, we have this shooting. Yeah, we can try to build and run it. And let's try what's happening. Fantastic. And also fantastic. Yay. We have right here our thing right over here. We have right here. Oops. And yeah, we can basically right now destroy it, but yeah. But yeah, now to fix this, we're about to do a thing called network to destroy. Network to destroy. I think it also requires this. Okay, and network to destroy a group of zeros. Yep. And now we have this. Okay, I think we don't need this. Only when we instantiate that. Okay, so now we should, well, we have again to build and run it. Okay, and after this we are going to have pretty awesome stuff. So yeah, right here I'm going to host it. And right here I'm going to be a client. So yep. And now we're going to look well, only host I think. Doesn't seem to work. Let's see what happens if client joins, if an editor we will join. No network view attached to this. Okay, so to fix this, let's see, we're pretty much going to do this. We can destroy them both, and this will have this camera. Okay, so yeah. So now we have to add a network view to it. Network view. Okay. Now once we build and run it, I have this and this. This is going to be my server. Okay, and this is gonna be my client. Okay, so yeah, now I can go ahead and walk inside. So yeah, now I can kill him and it will appear right like so. So yeah. Anyways guys, thanks for watching this episode. Don't forget to click subscribe button for more videos and tutorials like this. And then in the next video I'm going to do some kind of life system. Yep, that's it. And maybe I will begin with animation. So yep, in that video we will pretty much begin our RPC stuff, so it will be really good, and later on we will maybe move it really awesomely that the server, every object, every player will be instantiated actually on the server, and we will just send an RPC calls to move a character. So yeah. Anyways guys, if you didn't understand, then don't worry, I will explain it later on. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click subscribe button if you enjoyed it. I said that, but anyways, I'm saying again. And yep, thanks for watching guys, and see you later in my next video. Bye.